And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, there is Beryl moving inland, but these are all the tornado warnings associated with her right now. And you can see the model data indicating this moving pretty much right over the top of our area as a tropical depression by Tuesday night. But we've got something called a predecessor rain event, or a PRE. That's typically an arc of rain and thunderstorms that precedes the actual rainfall with the parent system. And these are common in these tropical systems that move inland. It's an arc of heavier rain that precedes it by several hours. And it is this arc of rain that'll bring us a few showers tomorrow morning and bring us an overall round of increasing rainfall for tomorrow afternoon, all amidst a few very widely scattered storms in our area right now ahead of the cold front. So the cold front's coming in, it stalls. That's what's popping a couple of these storms. And then that serves as basically a railroad track for Beryl to ride northeastward. And there are the projected tracks, model data. Pretty consistent here, wanting to bring it pretty much right over the top of Greater Lafayette. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has the marginal risk of severe from Beryl, mainly southeast of our area, for a few tornadoes. And certainly Indianapolis, Terre Haute, and southeastward, better tornado risk from Beryl later tomorrow and tomorrow night than us. But I still would not rule out a brief random spin up from Fulton County, Miami, Cass, Howard, Eastern Carroll, and then kind of this zone here where I'm pointing, right there as an arc of rainfall and storms pivots northward. Now, tomorrow's a 78-degree day. The rain's increasing as the day goes on, even a couple thunderstorms by evening. Pretty muggy, kind of tropical feeling, though, with upper 70s south to low and mid 80s as you go northward. Now, on Wednesday, the rain's in the morning from Beryl, and then we're fine after that. The afternoon's good, 82 the high, upper 70s to low 80s should do it, and the humidity will tend to drop a little bit during the afternoon. Here's Beryl. Let's dig in here. There are a few little storms this evening, right up through midnight and 1 a.m. Then they diminish. This is that PRE, that predecessor rain event trying to come northward. You can see it right here, this arc of rain at 10 in the morning, and then that arc of rain through early afternoon, and even a couple thunderstorms. This is the PRE, the predecessor rainfall event. The actual main rains from Beryl will then come up from the south getting into tomorrow night. And it's these little cells that you got to watch for random little tornado spin-ups that are moving northward. There is the center. Watch the center of Beryl right here move right over the top of our area. You see the wind here kind of converging on the center. So the center of the depression is pretty much right over Delphi at 6:30 in the morning Wednesday, and this is pretty heavy rain and a brisk kind of north wind blowing, and then it's quickly out of here, and guess what? By afternoon, Beryl's a memory and the sun's out, and the rainfall will be soaking. Lightest amount southeast, 0.8 to 1.5 inches, but you start getting into 2, 2.5, and 3-inch rainfall amounts as you move northwestward in our area. So this is really good. This is going to lay down some good topsoil moisture to deal with heat down the road, and yes, even a few storms kind of riding the periphery of that heat next Wednesday and Thursday.